Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm now currently going to the playground that I'll be doing my exercises. So now I'm now here. This is called the Rodelsa Circle, or uh, the locals here calls it Rotonda. So guys, welcome to Yobmij playground. So here is my playground for the rest of my life. I think it's free. The lesser the people, the lesser you get the pandemic around what's happening. So I'll be doing some agility drills or some exercise to be more fast or to defend faster, so that my feet or my I could compete to those faster people, like the small ones, defend them, and have a lot of stamina to compete with them. So if you want to join, just join me here, just here at Rodelsa Circle or Rotonda. I'll set up my gears now. So guys, these exercises that I'm going to show you is not my original, or it's not mine exactly. And I've just trying this, and it's really effective. I'm just sharing you what I've learned, and I think these are some of the best agility workout out there. You could do this at home, or anywhere, a vacant lot, or in a soccer field. It depends on where you are. You don't need to have to buy those. You could also use some rocks or some bottle of water. It's a 5 exercise, 5 agility workout. So if you'd like to follow, please follow the drill, and I hope you'd like the drill. So I've done the 2 rounds. It's 30 seconds of work and 20 seconds of rest. So let's do this, and 1 minute full rest.
Yeah, wow, where we at now? I don't really got no time to play around. Wow, making beats up in my playground. Since I was a kid, I knew I always had to make sound. Wow. Yeah, 2K19, swear to God I'm taking over 19. Hey, bad, hit a $250,000 when it's here, pretty chilly. I've been trying to find me really well. Silly yo, I be gone like Cheerio. Really though, swear we finna get the go. You the go, but the most I'm getting up. Standing still, yeah, I'm getting way too cold. Like it's uno dos, I go single on these hoes. Doesn't songs, doesn't shows. Guess that's just one way to grow. Rappers, they don't show their lows. Gucci down right to the toes. 100K right on the clothes. Out of here like adios, bye. People push the problems to the side. Tell you it's the truth, but they just lie. Tell them, can you look me in my eyes? Funny what these people can just hide. Okay, I'ma need to find a flow. Feel like eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'ma catch whatever by the toe. You know I am not your average Joe. Tell her I'ma go and I'ma go. I just wanna grow, I wanna grow. Tell her I'ma go and I'ma go. I just wanna grow, I wanna grow. Whoa. High up in the mountains in the snow. Yeah. Swear I'm feeling higher than a crow. No, but ask them what the colors say below. 0 to 100 when I slow.
I'ma just get it to go, taking it out of the stove, out of the vault. Killing this shit is my fault. I'ma be getting the car, getting back up on the fall. Felling me out when I'm chasing the ball with all of my dogs, like in the dark. I'ma just punish you children, what? No, banish them all, fuck. I'ma go ahead and switch this month. Underdog getting this shit, I'm right. I'm insane, you saying I'm right. Gonna go pop and jump the gun. I'ma go Phoenix like the Suns. I'ma go down and run it up. It ain't over till it's done. Kick this bitch just like a punt. What you need it, yeah. Buy it, then receive it, yeah. Give it, then receive it, yeah. Energy is beaming, yeah. I believe it, yeah. Dream it, then I see it, yeah. Season every season, yeah. My presence is my being, yeah. Stop it, I'm on it, I see it. My options, I flip it and profit. I'm master, no novice. I'm just being honest, cause I always progress. Your prime is my worst shit, and my worst shit your best, bitch. Look, yeah, high up in the mountains in the snow. Yeah, swear I'm feeling higher than a crow. Yeah, ask them what the colors say below. Yeah, 0 to 100 when I slow. Look, high up in the mountains in the snow. Yeah, swear I'm feeling higher than a crow. Yeah,
Yeah, whoa, where we at now? I don't really got no time to play around. Whoa, making beats up in my playground. Since I was a kid, I knew I always had to make sound. Whoa. Yeah, 2K19. Swear to God, I'm taking over 19. Hey, bad, hit a quarter million. When it's here, pretty chilly. I've been trying to find me really well. Whoa, silly yo, I be gone like Cheerio. Really though, swear we finna get the goal. You the goat, but the most been getting old. Standing still, yeah, I'm getting way too cold. Like it's uno dos, I go single on these hoes. Dozen songs, dozen shows. Guess that's just one way to grow. Rappers, they don't show their lows. Gucci down right to the toes. 100K right on the clothes. Out of here like adios, bye. Ay, people push the problems to the side. Ay, tell you it's the truth, but they just lie. Ay, tell them, can you look me in my eyes? Ay, funny what these people can just hide. Okay, I'ma need to find a flow. Feel like eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'ma catch whatever by the toe. You know I am not your average Joe. Tell her I'ma go and I'ma go. I just wanna grow, I wanna grow. Tell her I'ma go and I'ma go. I just wanna grow, I wanna grow. Whoa. Ay, high up in the mountains in the snow.
Yeah. Check.
Swear I'm feeling higher than a crow.
No, but yeah.
Ask them what the colors say below.
Yeah.
0 to
Alright guys, those were the best agility workout that I've come so far. I've seen so far, and it really hurts. It really hurts, but it was a great workout, and I think my shoes won't hold any longer. Look. It's open, so I need to buy some some glue. Those were the great agility workout. You'll get improved in your defense, or get faster, quicker, and had a long stamina in the game. I hope you'd like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to share it please, and just leave a comment down below. So this is where I'm gonna end my video. Before I'm going to say bye, this is my new playground, Yobmij playground, and no, it's free here to come if you're in Cagayan de Oro. So it's a nice weather, and goodbye.
Yeah, I'ma just get it to go. Taking it out of the store. Out of